Are you?
Yeah.
Come on, Angel. Oh my God. Making a mess. Ah! What are you doing under my shirt? Go down. Oh my God. I look like Captain Hook. What are you doing? Hey, listen, the food is down here. Are you gonna feed me now? You want me to put it in my mouth and give it to you? Buddy. Come on, I have to clean you up now. My God, this is worse than having a kid. Come, go on my finger. Shoot, where are you going? Hey. Okay, you gotta go down now. Oh, boy.
That's pretty funny.
What? What?
That's your
No,
answer.
I'm not putting food in my mouth. No way. Okay, like, get this bird off my back.
I don't know.
Shoot me. What are you doing now?